The number one reason you are not scaling your business revenue isn't because you are lazy, it's not because you are not smart, it's because no one ever taught you things that actually grow a business. And that's not your fault. You went to school, you paid for courses, you brought books, you believed that they will teach you how to build $1 million or maybe even $1 billion company. But all they gave you was outdated theories, endless assignments, and stuff that has been repeated for decades. You spend years learning things that have nothing to do with the real world business. But that's not even the point anymore. The real question is, do you know how to grow your business revenue without acquiring new customers? Because that's where the real game starts. You have been taught that if you want to scale your business revenue, you need to get more customers, find more people, sell to more people, spend more money to reach more people. But the reality is, nobody taught you that you can scale your business revenue even without acquiring new customers. Let's be real. Getting new customers is not easy for most of startups. You have to spend money on ads or promotion. You have to spend energy chasing leads or making content. And worst of all, you have to spend your most limited asset, that is time. So instead of burning out trying to find new people, what if you could just make more money from the people who already bought from you? Sounds great, right? But before we proceed, we have to understand the importance of average order value. What is it, how to calculate it, and how to use it to increase your business revenue. So what is average order value? Average order value means how much money does one person usually spend when they buy something from you. So now, how do you calculate your average order value? Here's the formula. Average order value is equal to total money you made divided by the total number of orders you got. Let's say you made $1,000 from 25 orders, then the average order value will be $40. Now here's the exciting part. What if I told you that you can raise the $40 to 60, 80 or even $100? I mean, you will make more money by same number of orders. So how can you increase your average order value? Today I want to share something real with you. These aren't random theories or recycled tips from the internet. These are real strategies that I have been using in the business world for the past 3 years, and they actually work. If you are serious about growing your business, getting better results, and learning what really works, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I usually share tips, ideas, and behind the scene insights that can help you to grow your business even if you are just starting out. Also, if you need high quality leads for your business without burning your wallet, or if you are looking for digital marketing service that actually brings results, go to our website, fill out the form, and my team will reach out to you personally. Now let's move on to our topic. Here are 5 proven ways to increase your average order value and make more money from the customers you already have without needing to chase new ones. First, bundle up your products. Instead of selling one item, sell a group of items together for a special price. For example, if you sell one toy car for $5, you could offer 3 toy cars for $12. Second, use upselling and cross-selling. Upselling means offering a more expensive version of what the customer is already buying. Cross-selling means suggesting something extra that goes well with what they bought. For example, if someone buys a backpack for $20, you can upsell a bigger, cooler one for $35 or cross-sell a matching water bottle for $10. Third, set minimum purchase reward. Give people a reason to spend a little more. For example, spend $50 or more and get free shipping. If someone's buying $40 worth of stuff, they might add more to reach $50. Fourth, start a loyalty program. Reward your customer for spending more with you. For example, for every $1 they spend, they will earn points. If they get 100 points, they will get $10 off on their next order. This makes people want to buy more and come back again and again. Fifth, offer payment plans. If you sell something that costs a lot, you can let customers pay in smaller amounts over time. For example, if you sell a bike for $300, let the customer pay you $100 per month for 3 months. This helps them to say yes to a bigger order without feeling stress. Boosting your business isn't always about getting more customers. Sometimes it's about getting your current customer to spend more. That's the magic of average order value. Now you know what average order value means, how to calculate it, and the smart 5 ways to increase it to make more money. Go ahead and try these ideas in your business and watch your profits grow.